What's up, and welcome back to my channel and another video sponsored by Elegance. And in this video we are going to use amazing new colors from the new Buttercream collection, Mistresses of All Evil. If you haven't seen the full collection video yet, you can do that. It's right here on my channel as usual. So let me tell you a quick story about myself before moving on to this specific design. Sometimes when something gets very hyped, it could be a movie, it could be a book, music, or in this case, you know, a specific nail art design, I get very stubborn and I don't want anything to do with it until the hype has kind of cooled down. But in this case, I decided to just swallow my pride and do this anyway. You guys have probably seen all the bubble nails taking over social media the past couple of weeks, and of course, yeah, we're gonna do it here as well. It is actually quite fun to do, I'm not gonna lie, and it's actually very easy and it looks pretty darn cool. So here my brain was kind of overthinking a little bit. You don't have to paint in the flat mat like this in patterns. Just go over the entire nail, cure it, wipe it, buff it, and then when you go over it with top gloss, you can just paint on top of the areas that are already covered with flat mat, because they're going to be shiny when you put the top gloss on. So same thing here. If I just put flat mat over the entire thing, I could have just gone in and buffed it and then put top gloss on, and you wouldn't notice the difference. It would probably be way faster, but why not make it more difficult than it is? Here I just took lunchbox, I filled it up with a little bit of water and a lot of soap, and then I just started to shake it like a Polaroid picture. The harder you shake it, the smaller bubbles you're gonna get, and vice versa. So you can decide a little bit kind of how big you want them to be, and of course you're gonna see that in the pattern as well, depending on how big or small the bubbles are. And yeah, you just go ahead and cure it for the full amount of time, and that's pretty much it. You just take a wipe, dry wipe the bubbles off, and then take a little bit of cleanser and you're good to go. Just keep in mind that yes, this is going to be a surface with a structure, so if you don't like that, then you would have to go in with a pigment on top of the structure surface, I think, and then apply top gloss on top of that, because if you do it now, the whole thing is just going to disappear. Now I am just using the black gel paint to create some lines and to create that kind of stone gem look. I don't know really what it is, but I think it looks pretty cool. And on top of that, I'm just using the gold metallic buttercream. So I would say that this is a really good alternative to using foil on top of the gel paint. Sometimes it can be a little tricky, you know, you have to cure it for a certain amount of time, and then, you know, you don't get that right, and then the foil doesn't stick or whatever. So by doing this, I think this will save you a lot of time because you have more control over it actually. So I really do love the look of it. If you want to get it even more glossy, you can actually go over it with a little bit of top gloss. Just use like the stripey or even, yeah, maybe swirly brush, and then just go over the lines, and they're gonna get a little bit more foilish type of lines. So here I have continued with the index finger. I just made a quick little feather shape, and then I'm just continuing with the dots and so on, just to get that little bohemic look, because you know I love that. Now I'm actually using that same mirror on the wall, and I'm creating tiny dots and just kind of binding the design together, because we do have that on the middle finger, and this is the flat mat going over the pinky and the index finger. You don't have to do anything else with the other nails, they are done. Here I'm just wiping, and we're gonna get to the result in, no, just kidding, we're gonna buff it first, and that's usually what I do, you know that, you know, with the matte, just to get it a little bit more mattier. And here you have the final result. So I really hope you liked it. It was a lot of fun to do. I do love this design. It's a fun thing, you know, to try different and new things. Whatever, it was fun to do. I am swallowing my pride, and here you have it. If you like these colors, you can get all of them at lightelegance.com. You can also find your closest distributor on the same website. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push that little notification bell, and also subscribe to Light Elegance channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me, I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me, I am fading unfelt. Boy, you look worried and